Oh yes, it's a Pepto-Bismol guitar. Drum roll, please. Hello, kitty. I like kitties. I have a kitty. His name is Pepe. Look at that. Wow. It's a cougar guitar. See, it's a Squire. And we're going to actually transform this into... It actually looks pretty good. Oh, hello, kitty. Square. Specifications. Place made in China. China. What do we got in here? Oh, we're going to put a nice nut in there. We got some kind of pot. I don't know if that's going in there or not. I haven't read the instruction. Install tuners. Install a nut. Set it up. Settles and fret ends. Oh, the fret ends. They don't feel too bad, but we'll give them a closer look. Okay, let's see what's under here. A litter of kittens, perhaps? Let's see how the neck is doing. Okay, well, it looks like we have some uneven frets at the second, third, and fourth fret there in various spots across the fingerboard. We're going to have to level those out. We'll take care of the fret ends while we're at it. Got a bare knuckles polymath pickup. I don't think that's stock. Gonna have to wire that up.
There you go, dog. Yeah. It's the $900 Squire.
Yeah, man.
Those are $900 now, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That took us $900.
Yeah, well. All right, my friend Brett just gave me this bridge. It's for like a headless bridge. Pretty cool. Huh. What is it? It's a Nova guitar parts for a headless. I like headless guitars. Anyway, cool. Thanks, Brett. Yeah, Brett comments a lot here in the chat. Thanks, Brett. So anyway, we're going to add a little double stick tape, especially near the bridge there where that little black line is. The screw hole in it's a little too fragile, so we're going to add some tape there, and it'll keep the pick guard from going clickety-clack, and that little fragile area from accidentally being sheared off. Okay, we're going to put some old school wire on here because the customer wants it. Cloth wire, man, because it's cooler. Come on, admit it. You love it, you want it, you gotta have it. And it's all yours, man. Your wish is my command. Okay. Twirl there. Twirly, twirly, twirly. Oh, CTS. Huh. Look at that. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Alternating sides. Like that, back and forth. Peg reamer. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. The tuners, I didn't see it. All the parts fell out, and this sort of was hiding. This is a tuner bushing tapper outer tool. Cool, man. All right. Well, I wish I'd known. That's nice. I want to be careful not to go through the finish when trimming the ends of the frets. There's a little pivot there. Well, apparently I forgot to record the crowning and sanding and polishing portion of this procedure, but I have a million of those on other videos that I've done, so I apologize for that. I'm going to go right to the final demo after this.